Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to unlock AGM H6 without password. Okay, but before we begin, I will tell you a few things. First thing is, please only try to unlock your phone, in no other case someone else's, because that might be considered as a crime, and that's also unethical. Second thing is that we need to perform a factory reset using the recovery mode, and we will lose all of our data. And the third thing is that after the reset, when we get into the recovery mode, there's a chance that the phone will want to verify us, or by typing the screen lock. Of course, we won't be able to do it because we cannot remember it. But we have the second option, and the phone might want us to sign in into the same Google account into which we are logged in on our device before the reset, as a confirmation that we are actually a user. So have that in mind. If you don't remember your Google account, there's a chance that you will have to perform a bypass of this Google verification. Alright, if you want to continue, follow my steps. As you can see, my screen lock is set and I cannot remember it. Now, we need to power off our device. Simply hold the power button and click on power off. And now we need to get into the recovery mode. To launch the recovery mode, we need to use the two-button combination. First, we need to hold the power button for around 1 second, and after that we also need to keep holding volume down. Basically, we'll have to hold both buttons, but first start with power button and then also start holding volume down. Let me show you. So first hold power button for around 1 second and then start holding volume down also. Now we need to keep holding until the recovery mode launches. Okay, here it is. Android recovery. Now, using the volume keys, we need to select wipe data / factory reset, confirm by clicking the power button, select factory data reset, confirm. Okay, data wipe complete. Now select reboot system now, confirm, and now we just need to simply wait until our phone turns on. Alright, and that's all in this video. Thank you all for watching. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.